Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deja Joy bringing you another video. Today I will be doing another challenge. This one was requested by one of you guys. Any dance that I do on this channel will also have a tutorial to go with it. So today I am doing the tutorial to the Get Up challenge that I showcased the other day. I really like this dance because it's easy, it's fun, it gets you up, moving. Also, if you want to find like a workout dance, this one is super easy, it's super fun, it gets you sweating, especially if you do it like repetitively. If you just keep doing it over and over and over again, it really gets your blood going and it's not hard at all. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. First, I would like to note that all of my tutorials will now not have any music in it, so I will have the original video posted, linked down in the description box. I will also have it linked in the cards here, and I will also showcase it at the end of this video so you guys can go ahead and follow it when this tutorial is over. But again, there will be no more music in my tutorials, so now we can go ahead and get into it. Okay, so the first move to this dance is really easy. You're just going to cross forward with your right foot and cross back. So again, cross, cross. So we're going to take that as an 8 count just so you guys can get used to that movement. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that you guys are used to that movement, you're familiar with it right now, we are now going to move on. So it's only 1, 2. Take this left leg, walk back. So you are going to cross, cross, left, right, walking back, and you can step right here just to clean it up. And if you have a partner, you take their hand and you spin them around, or if you are that partner that wants to be spun, you take your partner's hand and you spin inward. Don't take your partner's hand and spin outward, because it's awkward. It's an awkward movement. It's not gonna feel good. It's not gonna look right. Spin into your armpit. After that, you can either hold your partner's hand, or you could do this freely and just kick, 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 kick. That is right, left, right, left. It's like after that, you dip down, you jump onto your heels. So down, heels, down, to go left, and then dip. Then you are going to turn right. So step with your right foot, left foot, right foot, left foot to touch. Again, that is right foot, left foot, right foot, touch left foot. Again, you are going to take it right, left, dip, jump onto your heels if you can. If you cannot, you can just go back. So dip down and just step out if you want to. And then you're going to walk left, then dip, 1, 2, and then you right, left, right, step. Then you go back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right, left, right, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the main steps to this dance. Everything else you could just go ahead and have fun with it, as long as you are following the directions. So when he says go left, you go left. When you go right, hand up, hip, forward, back. But the meat of the dance is the cross, cross, all of this that we just went over. The breakdown is left twice, then right twice, then left hand in the air. You could just stand there if you don't want to do all that extra moving. You could like move your hips with it, bounce, like just bounce with it. And then he says bring your hand to your hip. So I go left, 2, then right, 2, then left hand, then hip, 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 then shoulder, then like a quick shoulder before he says slide. Okay, so now we are going to take it from the beginning again so you guys can get familiar with it, get it into your bodies, and it just come naturally to you. Cross, cross, left, right, turn your partner, and then kick, 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 dip, heels, dip, up. 1, then dip, 1, 2, then turn, right, left, right, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now that we just done that, we're going to move on to the next breakdown. So the next breakdown is slide, slide, cool yourself down. So however you want to cool yourself down and however you want to slide, it's up to you. But just slide, slide, then cool yourself down. You're going to slide, slide again, and then hit the butterfly. Okay. Oh, okay. However low you want to go, do that. If you don't want to go low at all, you can just keep it up here. Okay. This is cute too. You can just keep it up there. Anything that hurts you, anything that makes you feel uncomfortable, do not do it. It is not worth it. Protect your body. As I say always, protect your body, protect yourself, because it's just not worth it. You're going to need your knees and your back at the end of this dance. That is the last breakdown. I am going to go through the meat of the dance again, which is just that intro part, that beginning part, and then that's it. And y'all can watch the video right after this video and follow along to that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, cross, back, back, spin your partner, then kick, 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 dip, heels, dip, stand up, then walk, walk, then dip, then walk, walk, then turn, then right, left, right, step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is it for this tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it, go ahead and give it a like. Also, do subscribe because there will be so much more dancing. Also, if you guys would like for me to see you dance and how you get down, go ahead and learn this dance. Tag me on IG at Deja_Joy so I can see your dance moves, okay? Also, if you did record a video for the Beyonce challenge, don't think I forgot about you, because I did not. People are still wanting to record themselves doing that challenge and still tagging me. So I definitely did forget about you guys. I'm just waiting until I get the videos all together. If you guys enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.